Hi there, in this short video I'll show you how you can set up a bank feed within the Nomisma bookkeeping mobile app. So once you've logged into the app, what you'll need to do is come down to view banks at the bottom of the screen here, select that, and you'll see a list of all of your bank accounts within Nomisma. And then you can see a column there that says feed, and there's an icon for setup. So what you can do is go in, select that setup, and then it will take you to TrueLayer. Now at this point, you'll just need to go through and select your bank account. I'm going to go ahead and select Monzo. And within this page, it's just explaining to you what information Monzo and TrueLayer share between each other. And it's explaining what and who TrueLayer are. So I'll go ahead and select Allow. And then at this point, so there, I just needed to verify and then approve my credentials, which I just did. And then it takes you back to Nomisma. And at this point, you can then select the bank account that you would like to set up a bank feed for. And then all you need to do is select complete. And you'll get a successful message. Then when you return to Nomisma and refresh your page, you'll then see that the bank feed is now active. So from this day onwards, all of your bank transactions will be automatically downloaded and stored within Nomisma, ready for the reconciliation process. If you have any questions or any queries about this feature or anything else on Nomisma, then as always, please do get in touch with us by using 020-3021-2326 or email support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye.